Hello all, myself Mitra from BCom Digital Marketing and Data Mining Department at Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about source of agricultural credit. First thing, what are the source of agricultural credit? First, what is agricultural credit? What is mean by agricultural credit means the term agricultural credit refers to several credit vehicles used to finance agricultural transactions, which means these vehicles includes loans, notes, bills of exchanges, and bankers' acceptance, and etc. These vehicles are used to finance agricultural transaction is called as agricultural credit. This type of financing is specially adaptable to specific financial needs of farmers, which includes secure equipments, plants, harvest, marketing, and do other things that are necessary to keep their farms running. This is known as agricultural credit. How agricultural credit works, which means when someone needs credit, they often turns to banks for loans or other credit vehicles. Some industries have special facilities set aside through certain financial institutions. In case of business sectors, farming related commercial activities, which involves all steps required to send agricultural goods to market, which means production takes processing and distribution takes process. This is called as agricultural credit, and which is available in many different countries. The next thing is commercial bank. These are the sources of agricultural credit: commercial banks, agricultural credit unions, government program and subsidies, and microfinance institutions. Now, first thing we are going to see is commercial banks. In this case, commercial banks are primary source of agricultural credit, which means it provides loans to farmers and business for various purposes, which means it includes purchasing seeds, fertilizers, and machineries, etc. Then the next thing is these banks offers short-term and long-term loans with various interest rates based on borrowings, credit worthiness, and specific need of the agricultural operation. The advantages of commercial bank includes loan related large loan amount and structured repayment plans available in the commercial bank, so it is the one of the major advantage. However, they require collateral and have qualification criteria, which means it has some challenging for smaller and less established farmers too. This is known as commercial bank, one of the sources of agricultural credit. The next thing we are going to see is agricultural credit union. Agricultural credit union means members owned financial cooperatives, which means that provides credit specifically to individuals involving in farming and agricultural and etc. These unions are often offer more favorable more favorable terms than commercial banks, such as a lower interest rate and a more flexible repayment schedules, etc. In agricultural credit union, membership typically requires a shared interest or involved in agricultural, which means it also fosters a supportive community environment. While a credit union can more accessible to smaller farmer, they may have a limited loans amount compared to commercial banks. This is known as agricultural credit unions. The next thing we are going to see is government program and subsidies. Many government offers specialized programs and subsidies and support agricultural activities. These include low interest rate loans, grants, and loan guarantees to improving agricultural productivity and sustainability. These are the government programs and subsidies. The other thing is Microfinance institutions. Microfinance institutions, in the case, it provides financial service to small scale farmers, those in rural area who might not qualify for traditional banking services. These institutions always focus on offering small loans, which means minimal collateral requirements, and it supports entrepreneurship activity and agricultural improvement. However, the interest rate on microfinance loan can be higher compared to traditional bank. It have higher risk associated with lending to individual with limited credit. So this is known as microfinance institutions. These are the sources of agricultural credit. Thank you. We can see in the next topic.